Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. On my hand is the Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G from Realme Philippines. Ito na siya, na-unbox ko na siya. Ganda ng phone body. Parang siyang pearl body. Ang kanyang body. Ganda. This is the world's first color sensitive into cold temperature. It means that pag malamig, mag-change yung color ng kanyang body. So itong white na pearl white na to, magiging bluish yan. So syempre, kailangan nating i-testing yan. Also, ano daw to, military grade, waterproof, and also it has a Sony camera. Yan. Triple rear camera at I heard it is a Sony camera. Abangan nyo yung aking full details about this. But first, let's test the kanyang waterproofing at saka yung color sensitivity niya is sa cold temperature. Alright, let's do this. The phone, the Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G. Meron tayong aquarium. There's an aquarium na pinadala si Realme Philippines. Let's put the phone inside. Okay siya, gumagana siya. Siyempre, let's put the back camera para makita natin yung kanyang color changing effect. And I have here a cold water na galing sa refrigerator namin. So, lalagay ko na siya at ibubuhos ko na doon sa phone. The phone is running, yeah. The phone is running. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, para malaman yung waterproof siya. And this is the phone. Buhos na natin itong tubig. Sakto. Let's see if it's changing to blue in a few minutes. Antayin natin. May nakikita na akong blue color dun sa baba. Doon na siya nagsistart. Kailangan ata mas malamig pa yung tubig natin. So, bakit nila ginawa to? No? Okay siya, no? It's a added effect. For example, if you're in a cold place, especially sa air-conditioned room, for example, or sa tubig, it will give a color-changing effect dun sa case niya, yung sa back casing niya. At hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal to, no? So, antayin natin. Okay. May nakita na akong bluish color doon sa gitna. And take note, the phone is still running. Okay. May mga streaks of blue on the middle, tsaka sa upper side of the casing. Ito nyo ba? Ayan, panasa natin to. Ayan. Kanina, it's all white and now it's turning to blue yung kanyang back case. And I guess that's it. Pakita ko sa inyo yung phone. Malamig pa yung tubig ko. And there's the phone. You can see the bluish effect. Siguro kung super lamig, no? Actually, malamig na yung phone eh. Super lamig. All bluish yan. So, yung pearl niya, nagkaroon ng streaks of, yung white pearl, no, nagkaroon ng streaks of blue. As you can see here. So, kailangan niya talaga super lamig talaga to get the actual color changing effect. Especially if you're in a cold weather, no, or a cold room, cold temperature room, or kahit sa water kayo, it will display a cold streak. Cold streak na color blue pala. Ayan. And the phone is still working properly. Ayan. The phone is working properly. So this is the Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G coming out soon this month of March. So abangan niyo yung ating updates about it. Alright? Alright. So may color blue streak na siya, no? So that's the effect of the new Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G. So abangan ninyo yung mga posting namin about this. I'll be doing a camera test, photo test, video test, gaming test, drop test pwede rin din, tsaka yung kanyang waterproofing test kasi this has a military grade body at saka meron siyang waterproofing na IP rating. Abangan ninyo yung mga full details natin dyan. Alright? That's the water eject, no? Meron siyang water eject. Do that pagka nalubog nyo sa tubig. Take note, fresh water dapat. Alright, so that's it guys for our vlog for today. Another successful experiment. Nawawala na yung pagka-blue niya kasi tinanggal ko na siya dun sa cold water. Nanggaling sa refrigerator namin. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you so much, Realme.